a proper machine. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. And since I've just said while filming the cold start like I'm going to miss this little car, I think you guys can already guess what happened. I sold the Lotus. I was looking to sell it. Not sure what the next step will be. Sorry for my voice, but I caught COVID. I was not even sure if COVID was still a thing, but I had fever for a couple of days, so I guess it is. I have the OEM intake here. OEM exhaust in the trunk. Yeah, we can call it trunk slash storage space next to the engine. And yes, well, it's very early in the morning. It's 8 AM something. I'm still kind of sleepy. You know, when you're selling a car or buying a car that you really like. I'm like a child. Before Christmas I cannot sleep. So let me get everything sorted and I'll talk to you guys after. Hi everyone, welcome back properly to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm starting this video in my garage and look at this. This video starts with my scooter. Guess what? I don't have my daily with me. I don't have the Golf or GTI. I sold my Lotus, so I don't have a car. Usually, most of the times, I have a car borrowed from a sponsor of mine, which is AR Line Motors. It's a dealership here in Portugal. I also don't have a car from them. So this is all I have, my PCX on the scooter. Perfect. Why am I starting this video so excited next to a fucking scooter? Because I have a new car to show you, the e36 replacement. Let's go. And let's not forget, this video is sponsored by Car Vertical. Thank you, Car Vertical. Car Vertical keeps on sponsoring the channel, and we appreciate that. So let's talk about Car Vertical just for a minute, very, very quickly. Car Vertical is an online service where you can check your car's history through its VIN or a car that you're looking to buy. Car Vertical is an amazing tool if you're looking for a new car. If you're looking for a new car, you might come across some examples that I leave here. As you know, master of editing. When you're looking to buy a car, for example, you ask if there's ever been any type of crashes, if there's any mileage fraud, any outstanding finance. They might try to hide it, so the best thing you can do is to get a Car Vertical report. You can get 10% off with my discount, which is pretty good. You can see on the example, there's pictures of the car crash, there's the mileage report, there's the timeline where you can see when the car was registered for the first time, if it has changed ever from one country to other, when it has been crashed, when there has been any mileage fraud detected. It's pretty useful. So guys, don't be cheap, don't try to save any penny possible, because a report now can save you tons and tons of money later, or depreciation on a vehicle that you did not know its history correctly. Let's get back to the video. So here I am, just arrived to the workshop and it's time to show you guys the e36 replacement. All of you guys probably know this car. This is a Citroën Saxo. In Portugal we call it Cup. But I've already found out that somewhere around Europe and maybe France and Germany, you guys call it just Saxo VTS, if I'm not mistaken, but it's basically the same car. So it's almost full OEM. The interior is a shitty, old as fuck Citroën interior, as you can see. Some old leather seats, old steering wheel. Still on the stock wheels, but this car has some surprises. So it's the 16-valve engine, now all you guys might know. If you look from the back, you can already see that probably we have a custom muffler, and yes, we do have a custom muffler. And I'm going to show you guys under the hood somewhere. Yes, here it is. Let me open it. I'm so excited because this is actually a car that in Portugal people praise it a lot. It's a very cool car. It's a front-wheel drive car with a fun chassis. It lets the back end spin. It's very cool to drive. It's a naturally aspirated engine on a very light car. So it's pretty cool to drive. So guys, under the bonnet we can see original engine, custom intake, custom headers, and the rest of the exhaust is also custom. You cannot see here over the mounts, but let me try and spin the wheels for you guys. I'm trying to keep it quiet because this is a workshop and people want to work. Oh wow, we have a Pokemon card lost inside the car. Cool. The strut brace also. Now, as you might have seen, the custom headers and the custom exhaust mean that we have a pretty loud car. Oh, fuck's sake. So it's time to turn it on. So as you can listen to, the car is working pretty well now. Next time we're gonna take it for a ride, but it's pretty late today, and I wanted to launch this video as soon as possible so we can keep track of a proper project for the channel, because usually everything is just a total mess. I end up destroying everything and we never make proper content. So let me remind you of the mods again: strut brace, custom headers, custom intake, custom exhaust, the cheapest Bilstein suspension, I think they're the B6 or B8, something like that. The next parts of the project, which we have already bought, I'm doing this in partnership with AR Line Motors, a dealership that I've told you guys about a couple minutes ago. We're gonna get custom rails, bucket seats, proper harnesses, eventually, someday, a roll cage, and the car will be so much better. The chassis will basically be as stiff as possible. Also, we have the Brembo 406 calipers. They come from a Peugeot and they're bigger and they're a 4-pot caliper. We're gonna fit it with Pagid RSL 29 pads, better discs. In the back, we are going to keep the original Saxo brakes, and yeah, that's it. It's a loud car working. I don't have many more things to show you guys because it's pretty late and I'm preparing a very special video for you. Believe me, it will be a special video. So, you guys have seen the Saxo, the Pokemon card. You know about the mods. We're gonna do a first drive video maybe next week. I'll leave you guys just with the sound of the car. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry for this one being a short one, but I really wanted to start the project. The guys here at the workshop need to work on the car. We already have parts to apply to it. And we need to get wheels as well to fit the big brake kit at the front and obviously at the back. Brand new semi-slicks, and we'll try to do a track day as soon as possible. So just have a listen to it. Pretty cool, isn't it? So next video, I'll get you guys up to date with everything. I have a cooler video to prepare for you guys. Probably it will come out on Sunday. This will come out on Wednesday, so tomorrow. So you know I've recorded this like yesterday, as you're seeing it now. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Press the like button, subscribe, and I see you on the next one.